In this video, I'll introduce you to navigating the project editor. As we look at navigating the project editor, we'll discuss locations and systems, we'll take a look at project views, and then we will discuss options for searching and filtering information in our projects. Here we are in the project editor. I'm going to start with locations. This area here on the right side of the screen is going to be where we see a list of locations. I'm going to click the pin drop icon here to bring up the Manage Project Locations window. We'll go ahead and create a few new locations. I'll start with new location and we'll do the entry porch. And I will click Control N to start another location. I'll call it the family room. And I'll do one more here, kitchen. I also want you to note that if I click Add Locations, there will be a global list that I can pull from. Maybe I can find a space that I'd like to add from the list, as well as an additional location here. And then just really quickly, we can move locations up and down to adjust the order of the list and the order of our equipment in the project. And that will also control the order that items are shown, or I should say locations are shown in reports if we run them by location. Let's go ahead and take a look at systems now. In the systems area, I'll click the Manage button. And I will click New System. How about we have something like Home Security? And then I'll click Add, and we can pull from our standard set of system names like AV System. Now we're going to take a look at different project views. So I skipped ahead to the point where I had a bill of materials, which would make it easier to look at the different views. I'm going to click View, and notice we're on the Items view. That's our default view in the system. And I'm going to go ahead and click Location Summary, and we can see a summarized view of pricing and labor data by location, and then our grand total across the bottom. If I click on a particular location, we can see the items and the pricing breakdown of the items in that location. If I click Return, it takes us back to where we started. Another view is the System Summary view. So very similar to location, but grouped by system. We can also look at things like Labor Type Summary, where we can see the different types of labor and their values within the project. If I click Finish, we can see the 3 items in our bill of materials that are assigned to the labor type Finish. So there are other views. You should definitely explore those as you have an opportunity. So next, let's talk about searching. If I had a bill of materials that was large enough that I couldn't see all the details easily, I can just click here and search for an item. And I searched for origin and find items with the word origin. I'll go ahead and reset that. And last, we have the quick filters, which are kind of an organized set of shortcuts to do filtering in our project. So again, I can search by a location and filter there, and we can see the items within that location. And I can do other types of filtering, possibly by manufacturer or other data fields. So that's our quick filters. Now that you've been exposed to navigating projects, to learn more, you can visit the System Integrator Help Center. It's located at docs.dtools.com. Go ahead and click on Projects to browse additional topics.